Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. As usual, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just a heads up that this afternoon I'm leaving to Canada for some summer holidays, so we'll be off over this next week, coming back around the 19th. We will have Ari's morning news bites over here, and you can catch some updates on our TikTok as well. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.34%, S&P 500 futures up 0.25%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.33%. Virgin Galactic has announced a deal with a Boeing subsidiary, Aurora Flight Sciences, to build 2 additional Mothership aircrafts. While the company declined to disclose the financial terms of the contract, the first of the 2 aircraft is expected to enter service in 2025. Virgin Galactic currently has 1 carrier aircraft called the VMS Eve that is about 14 years old and is undergoing a lengthy refurbishment. They said that the new motherships are an evolution of this aircraft design and will support up to 200 launches per year. Analysts currently rate the Virgin Galactic stock a hold with an average upside of over 39%. Merck is reportedly in advanced talks to acquire cancer biotech company Seagen in a deal that could value them up to $40 billion. In a report from the Wall Street Journal citing people familiar with the matter, the 2 companies are discussing a price for Seagen above $200 per share. They're looking to agree on a deal on or ahead of Merck's quarterly earnings coming up on July 28th, although there is no guarantee that the 2 sides will reach a deal. Analysts currently rate the Merck stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 6.5%, while the Seagen stock is currently rated a moderate buy with a slight upside of nearly 2%. And last night, we had stock split news from GameStop. The company released their plans to go through a 4-for-1 stock split at the end of this month. Shareholders of record at the close of business on July 18th will receive 3 additional shares for every 1 share it owns via a stock dividend. The additional shares will be distributed on July 21st, and GameStop will begin trading on a split-adjusted basis on July 22nd. GameStop stockholders voted in favor of expanding the company's share authorization to $1 billion, up from $300 million, in order to facilitate this stock split. With just 2 current analyst ratings, the stock comes in as a moderate sell with an average downside of 40%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from Levi Strauss and WD-40. Already in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Helen of Troy. They're the name behind some popular brands like Honeywell, Braun, and Vicks. They did surpass analyst expectations for their earnings, but revenue fell year over year. The company also cut their full-year outlook, citing a shift in consumer buying patterns amid rising inflation. They reported earnings of $2.41 per share on revenue of $508.1 million. This surpassed the estimates of $1.61 per share and revenue of $505.7 million. Revenue did fall over 6% year over year. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 32%. And that's about all for earnings currently, so let's see which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. And we've already discussed both our biggest gainer and loser this morning. Our biggest gainers are led by GameStop, following the news of their 4-to-1 stock split. Trading under the ticker GME, their stock is up nearly 7%. They're followed by Sasol under SSL, up 6%, and Tenaris SA under the ticker TS, up 6.3%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Helen of Troy, following their future outlook cut. Under the ticker HELE, the stock is down 6.7%. They're followed by Duckhorn Portfolio under NAPA, down 5.5%, and One Main Holdings under the ticker OMF, down 4.6%. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I need to go finish packing. We're headed to the airport in a couple hours, and I'll see you back here after July 19th. Have a great day.